Hey friends, if you encounter this issue with the Logitech G Hub is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's what you have to do. First of all, search for services in the Windows search bar and open the services window. Now scroll down to L and you'll find something called as the LG Hub Updater service. Right click on it and select restart. If this helps, well and good. If not, then search for Logitech G Hub in the Windows search bar and simply uninstall it. I don't even go through other solutions because it's just easy to uninstall and reinstall it. So uninstall it, make sure that it's all uninstalled, then go to Logitech G Hub download. Okay, and then you can go to its original website and then you can scroll down and select the option to download it for Windows or Mac, whatever you have, and then you can reinstall it from here. Okay, it will download an exe file. All you need to do is click on this exe file and it will set up the launcher. Okay, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.